Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Face ID authentication for your banking applications on iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions to add an extra layer of security and convenience to your mobile banking experience. Step 1. Make sure Face ID is properly set up on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, and verify that Face ID is enabled and working correctly. Step 2. Open your banking app on your iPhone. This guide works for most major banking apps including Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and many others that support biometric authentication. Step 3. Log into your banking app using your current authentication method, such as your username and password or a PIN code. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to the app's settings menu. This is typically found by tapping the menu icon, profile picture, or settings gear icon within the app. Step 5. Look for security settings or login preferences. Common labels include security settings, login settings, biometric authentication, or Face ID and Touch ID. Step 6. Toggle on the Face ID or biometric login option. The app may require you to enter your password or PIN one more time to verify your identity before enabling Face ID. Step 7. Complete any additional security verification steps your bank requires, such as answering security questions or confirming via text message or email. Step 8. Test the Face ID feature by completely logging out of the app and closing it. Reopen the app and verify that you can log in using just Face ID by looking at your phone when prompted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.